All right, if you guys can see the lights. Now we did plug them in, but you could extend them even larger. Right now we have adhesive on them, all right? But they do come with screws and for backing for drywall. But look at the control. We're actually using the controller. You could turn it off if you want, completely dark here. And then we can turn it on. And then on the control, you got a couple of functions in here, right? So we're gonna go into this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we got some more modes. We got modes here. Look at the modes. It's like Christmas here. That's one mode right here. We're gonna change another different mode. It's like a party mode here. Look at that. So everything can be done from the controller itself, but it has lots of different modes, different accessories to change it to. Also, you could do auto too. Auto will change it to different functions, if you guys can see that. And you could do voice. You could do the app if you want. It's an option. Very simple to install. It took us about 5 minutes to set them up. All right, once we set up the app, you guys can see it's installing now. So all we got to do is wait for the system. All right, if you guys can see, I'm talking because I'm controlling from my device in here. You could do different tones on there, right? I'm gonna show you the different tones. So once you can go into you could turn it off from here, but you could go to different settings. We're gonna go to the light settings, if you guys can see that. White, super light, and so forth. And you could add additional light bulbs in here. Another one is that you could go into different templates that they have. So we're gonna choose one here, Iceland blue, if you guys can see that. So on top of it, I like the audio ones. You could choose soft, for example. Test 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. The higher you are, the longer it goes to back. So this is very simple, easy to use. On top of it, you can always turn it off by hitting the off button here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, off, and then you could turn it on. We're gonna go back to the lighting again and change it to white, light, bright. One thing is that these are rotating to 360 anywhere you want. So if you're not facing, for example, this one's facing down that way, you go obviously facing up or the opposite way. So nakedly lighting up. Then this works with Google Home and Alexa. So you could turn them off, on and off. And you guys can see, I'm gonna let you guys see the type of colors we have.